Hey guys, this is Neil Gonzalez. We are having a wind warning alert. And I mean wind warning alert. The storm is already leaving. You can see that it's going to be clear skies coming out. But the bad news is we're going to have drifting snow. As you can see, the winds are just pushing real hard. Temperatures are very low. My God. Drifting snow today. Jesus Christ, what the heck? Everything's just getting angry all over again. We're still in the center. Look at Isaac, my brother's window. Completely stuck. Nothing to do. The winds are just acting bananas. And my cousin's not going to school. He almost got to school. So he's like, no, I don't want to go to school because it's cold. And it's not fair though. My God, it's like so windy outside. Jesus Christ, what the hell is going on? My God, the winds are just angry or something. Look at this. The metal part, it's getting messed up right there. The metal part right there, that fell. And yesterday we had Blizzard JANOUS. I didn't get to record it because I had too many work. I had a project today. Jesus Christ, it's so strong. Drifting snow. Look at this. Well, the clouds are going away, but except for the winds, they're not. And the cold front's not going anywhere. It's pissed off or something. Look at this. Freezing ice. Moisture. Isaac, your AC is busted. The AC is like open. I think that's why we're getting cold.
No, it's good.
No, like the thing is broken due to the winds. Jesus Christ. And this is why I don't want to go out, because it's freaking cold outside. Don't freaking go out. No offense, everyone, but I have to say that because it's pissing me off that the other public schools are closed and our public schools are open. Like, no, that's not right. Let me know in the comments below if it's not right. That schools are open for you. You had to go there, and then there's other schools that are closed. Let me know in the comments below if that's not really fair. We are having a sky out blizzard alert warning. We're having bad conditions of the weather. I recorded it 2 videos. You should check it out. I already uploaded it. It took a while because it was HD, and I'm recording this video in HD. Hopefully, it won't get messed up. But Jesus Christ, the winds. They're going ham. Jesus Christ. This is what... My God. My God. Oh my God. The winds are just going crazy, and right here is the sunlight that's gonna come out in a minute. But we're having 60 miles per hour winds, and the wind chill is below 35, and that's freaking crazy. Oh, excuse me, I ate something. I mean, look at this. This is a lot of snow. Look at what happened here during the blizzard. A big, huge monster of Mother Nature. She grew winds, and this caused so much snow to come. And here, oh, this is nothing sad. Oh wait, there is something right here. There's ice and frosting all over the place. Now let's go to the kitchen. Yeah, you better not go back. Let's go to the kitchen to see the ice. This is what the blizzard did. during the last night. I didn't get to record it because, and look at that, how deep that is. The ice. Look at that. Ice. Mother Nature has grew stronger. The cold front doesn't give a crap, no offense, about the heat. And it's just causing so much deja vu all over again. That means it's starting all over again. It's just starting. And the cold front is named cold front JANOUS, which joined cold front typhoon, and now they're becoming strong. And the Atlantic Ocean, the boats were getting crushed by a very major great blizzard. And in the Atlantic Ocean, there's like a polar vortex, and we're gonna have it as well. We're in the center, and there's centers popping out, and that's not normal. And this cold front will be staying till spring, and cold front Jonas will be stuck in that cold front with each other. They're teens. Look at the AC, and look what happened to it also. Since Isaac didn't want to look. This blizzard bust that thing open. Hope you guys like this video, and bye.